taking a moment just to realize how far I've come and how grateful I am for the opportunity to go from having this transformation and having this idea and this vision to help and to be of service and to share my work to as many people as I can to help facilitate in transformation. To have this idea and this vision and this dream and to have something on your vision board for so long and to see it come into fruition and manifest itself is one of the most rewarding experiences of my life. And I hope that you guys all continue to dream and to push forward whatever your goals and aspirations are, that to know that you are worthy and you are deserving and that you too, your dreams can come true. Hope you guys tune in to Dr. Oz. Thanks guys.